This is a walk-around video at Boyer Pickering of a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Cruze in black granite metallic. This one has a 2LT trim level with a sun and sound package added on that gives it a power slide and tilt sunroof and a premium sound system. And it also has a unique sporty look with the RS package, giving it front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, and a rear spoiler. On the key fob here, it has remote vehicle start. And to unlock the doors, there's a feature called Easy Key Passive Entry. You just have to press this button to unlock the doors. On the inside, the seats are leather appointed. There's 6-way power adjustments on the driver's seat. You have a push-button start. The steering wheel is leather wrapped. It has cruise control, voice recognition, and audio. There's intermittent wipers. The Chevrolet MyLink comes with navigation. And you're going to have smartphone integration, so you can make hands-free calls by pairing up your device through Bluetooth. And you can also stream audio through Bluetooth as well. There's a USB port and audio auxiliary in the armrest. And also for your audio, there's a CD player. Free 3-month trial of SiriusXM satellite radio. And this display screen also shows your rear vision camera. Both of these front bucket seats are heated. And all Chevrolet vehicles are going to come with a free 6 months trial of the OnStar's Directions and Connections plan. At the back here, you'll find the rear vision camera. This trunk has 14 cubic feet of cargo space. You have a compact spare tire. You'll be able to extend your cargo space even further with this 60-40 split rear bench seat. At the back here, you'll find speakers for the premium sound system and latch child seat anchors. And you have an auxiliary power outlet on the back of the center console. The turbocharged 4-cylinder engine has a bit more jump to it than the base engine. And it's also very fuel efficient, getting a highway fuel consumption rating of 5.2 liters per 100 kilometers. And this 1.4 liter 4-cylinder Ecotec engine has 138 horsepower. Thank you for watching Boyer Pickering's walk-around videos. Come check out more Chevrolet, Cadillac, Buick GMC vehicles at 715 Kingston Road.